Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to share some very important hiring opportunities. But more than that, I'm going to tell you something that most people don't tell. So why some students get shortlisted immediately and why other don't even receive the test link. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I'm also going to tell you exactly what you should write in your resume for each company. Let's start with the CGI. CGI is hiring for the SAP and ABAP Junior Developer role. So they are hiring for the Hyderabad location. Now officially they are saying so you need to learn the ABAP programming, create the reports, and work on the workflows. And you need to debug and open SQL and the integration with the modules like MMM, SD, and FA. So but let me tell you what they are actually expecting from you. They are not looking for the someone who just knows ABAP syntax. They are looking for the someone who understands how business systems work internally. So if your resume just says I know the ABAP, I know the SQL, you will not stand out. Instead, you need to show something different. So in your resume, you should clearly mention the things like I worked on the optimizing SQL queries where I reduced the execution time using the joins index techniques. So I had a hands-on experience in debugging programs and identifying the performance bottlenecks. I understand how business process like order of payment or inventory flow work inside the ERP systems. When you write like this, the recruiter understands that you are not a beginner, so you are someone who can actually work in the real time project. Guys, companies don't hire the people who know the syntax; they hire the people who understand the system, who understand the systems. And then now, second hiring is from Zensar. They are hiring freshers for the AI roles like annotation, labeling, and prompt engineering with the salary range of 3 to 6 LPA. This might look like an easy role, but let me tell you, so this is one of the most misunderstood roles. So most students think this is just about writing the prompts, but actually companies expect you to think like someone who is training an AI model. So in your resume, don't just write the prompt engineering. Instead, say like this. So I designed the structured prompts that improved AI response accuracy and consistency. I worked on the evaluating AI outputs and improved quality using the uh, prompt refinement. I handled the dataset and dataset labeling while maintaining the consistency and reducing the bias in data. So and also you can say that when you show that in your that you understand how AI behaves and how to improve it, you immediately stand out from thousands of applicants. And then everyone uses the AI, but very few people know how to control the AI. And the third hiring is from Pocket FM. So this is a very interesting and high level opportunity. Pocket FM is hiring the associate programming managers. This is not the normal job. This is a leadership plus AA plus operations role. So this they clearly mentioned you will manage the teams of 20 plus people. You should build the systems using the AI, and you will improve the production workflows. So if your resume only shows coding, so you will not get shortlisted. So in your resume you need to show the things like I lead a team or managed a project where the multiple people were involved. I build the systems or workflow using the AI tools so that improve the speed or reduce the manual effect. I defined a problem and created a scalable solution instead of a temporary fix. So this kind of things you need to mention in your resume. So you can prove that you can manage people plus systems plus AI, and and your chances of getting shortlisted will increase drastically. So then next one more hiring is from WWT. Now this is not just a competition. This is the direct pathway to the internship and even the full-time roles. So they are offering up to 1 lakh per month stipend, and the top performance can get a full-time opportunity. And but here is where the most students make a mistake. They focus only on the coding, but this competition is not just about the coding. It is about how you solve the problem and explain it. So in your resume, instead of writing, I build a machine learning model. So you should write like this. I build an end-to-end ML solution where I handle the data pre-processing and model building, and explain the business impact of the results. I used SQL and Python to handle the large data sets and derived meaningful insights. I presented my findings in a way that helps decision making. So companies don't hire the models; they hire the people who can use the models to resolve these problems. Now, guys, listen carefully. This is the most important part of this video. So you might have all these skills, but the real question is, are you showing them properly in your resume? So if your resume look like everyone else, you will not get shortlisted. So instead of writing the skills, you need to show proof of work, impact, and thinking ability to the recruiter. So let me give you a simple trick. So in this trick alone can increase your shortlisting chances. Always write your skills in the format. So what you did, how you did, and what impact it created. For example, I built a system using the Python that reduces the manual effect by the 40%. This is much stronger than just using the Python. So guys, there are some of the best opportunities right now. So I have provided all the application links in the description, company wise. So make sure apply as soon as possible. And one more thing, update your resume based on what I explained in this video. So if you follow these strategies, I am telling you the honestly. So your chances of getting shortlisted will improve. So if you find this video helpful, make sure like the video and share and subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends because this information can genuinely help them. So thank you for watching.